Welcome to the CCH Axcess Practice video series. In this video, we'll show what's new in Correct AR in the 2024 5.0 release. To begin, you can select the AR Transactions link under Account Suitable, or you can select the AR Corrections link under Administration. Select AR Transactions. It's going to open AR Transactions. You'll notice right away that there is a slightly different look and feel, but we have retained all of the current functionality. To select the correct account suitable, just select that tab, it will load. Set focus to that tab. You notice that the grid loads based off of your grid pre-filters, which are accessible via the filter icon with the red dot. The red dot indicates that there is a pre-filter applied in the case, the date. The X can be used to reset your grid pre-filters back to their defaults again and will only reset the grid pre-filters. It will not reset the in-common filters. So assembly circle here is your grid refresh. Let's put our pre-filters here. So we have our date range, we have the fully distributed filter, and we have the type filter to make any changes. Here you can make your changes. Select distributor, undistributed, or both. For example, if you would like to cancel any changes you made, you can click the X Cancel button. To apply any changes you've made, you can click the check mark or the Apply button. Let's go ahead and make a correction here. So your actions are available here. So for most items, you will have correct and void for handling fee. For example, you only have a void. Click Actions and click Correct brings it up into the Input Register section. If you want to change the reference, we'll go ahead and type out the word payment. Perhaps we want to change the date and make that change as well. And let's change the amount. So right now we are set to auto distribute. So it's when you click save, it is going to go ahead and make the distributions for you, give you a transaction save prompt. And when you open up the parent-child relationship via the chevron on the left, you can see the distribution there as well as the remaining amount. If you'd like to void an item, perhaps, you can put the actions there and click void. And this will allow you to void the handling fee. You can select the counting, and if you're ready, click void. If you'd like to void a payment, for example, click the Actions menu and click Void. This will allow you to do the handling fee. You can set the counting, date, or you want to set to the end of the month and put an amount of maybe $15. I'd like to input a description. And if you want to cancel, if you cancel or not save for changes, if you'd like to continue with the void, you can click void and that payment will be removed. And it is not showing up in the grid because of our grid pre-filter. So if you want to change that, you can set this back to the end of the month and click apply. And now we're handling fee has or appeared. So you can also click correct void on, for example, the pay credit memos. Again, see what the distributions are. You can open up the parent-child relationship and you can see those distributions there.